St. Paul's Anglican Church, Breadfruit is one of Lagos Island's most historic Christian landmarks. Originating as a mission post between 1852 and 1856 under Ajayi Crowther, it was built atop an old slave barracoon where captured Africans were once tied to breadfruit trees en route to the Americas, lending the church its evocative name. Initially a simple bamboo structure, it has evolved over time with dedicated buildings constructed in 1879 and later rebuilt in 1924, marking its growth into a fully established parish in the Anglican Diocese of Lagos. Throughout the late 19th and early 20th centuries, St. Paul's became a central hub for spiritual, cultural, and nationalist movements in Nigeria. In 1880, it was led by James Holy Johnson, a dynamic preacher and advocate for the independence of African clergy. Though a significant portion of the congregation split to form the African Church in 1901, Johnson stayed on, emphasizing both spiritual unity and African self-determination. The church also played a pivotal pastoral role when Nathaniel Johnson was appointed vicar after transferring from St. John's Araloya, navigating internal tensions to contribute to the church's steady progression. Beyond its historical and spiritual significance, St. Paul's remains an active and vibrant congregation today. Situated at 10 Davie Street off Broad Street on Lagos Island, it offers rich liturgy, fellowship, and community outreach within the Anglican community. Site turn search 7, turn search 8. The church conducts services in both English and Yoruba, often with a translator, highlighting its inclusive mission to empower believers of diverse tongues. Over a century and a half, St. Paul's has stood as a beacon of faith, resilience, and cultural heritage in the heart of Lagos.
So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.